In this video, I'm going to show you how to talk to Grok AI using voice mode. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to grok.com. And now once we're here, I'm using Google Chrome for this. So if you're using a different web browser, it might vary. I'm going to click onto view site information and click on the site settings. And now basically we need to enable our microphone for here. So click onto ask or allow and then head back to Grok, even refresh the page. Now from here you want to go ahead and click on use voice. So click on voice. Now it's going to go ahead and connect. And now once we've done that, we can go ahead and change this little drop down menu. So we've got auto, we can do fast for quick response, expert, thinks hard. We can use Grok 4.1. Now it's going to take some time to connect on my end. I think I've got connection issues, but basically you're going to be able to just click into here and it's going to pick up your voice and then it's going to automatically talk right as you talk.